For the first time in a very long time, actually I think ever, we're starting our weekend vlog on a Thursday. We are in the car, all of us. We're going to Mississippi. Woohoo! Going to Mississippi, going to Mississippi, woo woo. Yeah. Without a child, it's an 8-hour drive. It is 5:48. We are just now leaving, finally. We have to stop and get ice, we have to stop and get food, and then we have to go. Hopefully that one falls asleep in about an hour, hour and a half, and we don't hear from him again. That would be really nice until the morning. That would be good. But that probably won't happen. Y'all, when packing for this trip, so update real quick, my sister does not eat corn. She's very allergic to it. She and my mom already went to Mississippi. They've been there for a couple of days, and she obviously took corn-free stuff. So I called her, and I was like, hey, what are you needing more of? What have you run out? And she's like, well, I'm low on this, this, and this. So I picked that up. Will has had a rash for a while, and so we are eliminating dairy. So I am taking snacks that I know will be dairy-free. He's also very picky, so I'm taking snacks that I know he'll eat. So like half of this car is filled with food. Will it turn? See that bag right there? This whole bag is full of food. And then I have a whole cooler filled with Rebel drinks, kombucha, his milk, some hot dogs. What else do I have? Oh, cheese for him. Ryan's getting ice for this cooler. It's gonna be crazy. It's like all food. We're never going to get there. Ever. Good morning, YouTube. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't want to be too loud because people are still sleeping. It is almost 8:40 on Friday morning. We got in at about 2:15 or so. It was not the trip that I had planned. Will did not sleep as much as I had hoped, but we did only stop twice, so that was pretty good. We made pretty decent time. But yeah, so I am waiting for everybody else to wake up so we can go over. We're staying at my aunt's house, which is literally just down the street from my grandmother's house where all the action's happening. So I am waiting for everybody to wake up so we can go over to my grandmother's house and eat breakfast. And I have no idea what we're doing today. I don't have any cell phone signal at my aunt's house, so I can't text anybody to tell them that we made it here. Yeah. So, just waiting.
Come on, Will, bring him on, get him, Will. Get him. Come here, Will. Mama, that is me. Well, I'm just begging.
Go, buddy.
Oh, my toes. Hey. Get him, Will, get him, Will, get him.
Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday at almost 9 o'clock. We were supposed to be at my grandmother's house an hour ago, but life. So we're driving over there. It's literally down the driveway. You don't even really get on a public road. So Will gets to ride in the front seat. It's super fun. He pushes all the buttons. It's great. So Saturday, May 26th, and today is my grandmother's 90th birthday party. Sorry, that's really annoying. It's probably gonna happen a few times. So we are gonna go eat breakfast and then go over to where we're doing the party at my great-grandmother's, what was my great-grandmother's house. We have a little pavilion built out there, and that's where we're doing the party. Gonna set up and do all that fun stuff. So let's get this day started. I have coffee. Ryan has peanut butter toast for the boy. Woohoo! Happy Saturday, y'all. My baby driving the car with his allergy pill bottle.
Savage. You gotta yell dance when you shoot.
Yeah.
I'm dancing. You gotta stop shooting when I start dancing.
Here he goes. Plop, plop.
Who gave these children watermelons? Yeah. Oh, wow. Wait.
He had to go in after his gun.
Molly will do that today. My wife will do that.
No, I'm not that super.
I did not.
She actually did nothing. I watched.
I videoed.
Hey,
Hey, you're a little wet. Uh-oh.
He's like a real cowboy.
He's humming.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end out this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. This one is a really special vlog for me to do in celebration for my grandmother's 90th birthday. So thank you so much for following along with us. Subscribe if you haven't already joined our family. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.